Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys today. I received another bag from coeebags and I'm very excited to unbox it with you. Happy New Year to you all and I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. I don't know if you can tell it by my voice, I have a cold. I'm feeling a lot better already, but I still have some issues like with my throat and my nose. But yeah, we just had a very chilled Christmas. But yes, let's get started with the unboxing. If you're excited for a new video, please don't forget to give the huge thumbs up because you really help my channel with that. And don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. So I'm very excited for today's video because I got a bag from coeebags. This video is not sponsored, but this was a gift. So yeah, I'm very excited to open it with you. And yeah, let's get started. So let's unbox it. So it comes in this really cute small box and you will see which bag I chose in a second. But when I saw this, I was like, that's the perfect crossbody bag, and I love a crossbody bag. I love a crossbody bag because I'm a mom and I like to have my hands free. And I was looking for a bag that can fit just the essentials like my phone, wallet, keys. And when I saw this, it was perfect. So yeah, let's first look at what you get as well. So you got some paperwork in here. And then you also got the chain of the bag in this box. So let's unbox the chain first. And then let's end with the good stuff, the bag itself. So it has a gorgeous golden chain. Let's see how I can remove this. Yeah, it's quite easy, okay. So I'm sorry, my voice sounds still terrible. So it has this golden chain, which I love. And it has gorgeous details, look at that. Do you see the LV, Louis Vuitton logo? And then it's just a very beautiful chain. Love that. So now let's unbox the bag itself. I'm very excited. Okay, are you ready? Let's open it. Let's see, yeah. Wow, oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So this is the pochette valise, I believe. It's a wallet on a chain. So let's put the chain on here as well. So like I mentioned, I was looking for a bag that is great, you know, for your essentials. This type of bag comes in lots of different colors. I loved this monogram one. And I absolutely love this color. I think this color goes great with lots of different outfits. I think this bag is very versatile. You can wear this, you know, in the winter, spring, summer and fall. Because it goes great with very vibrant colors, I think. But also with reds and like burgundy, deep winter tones. And I love the gold with this beige color. Because this is kind of a cooler toned beige and I think the gold warms it up a bit. So let's have a look on the inside of the bag. There's some more protection in here. So what I love from coeebags is that they ship the package very well protected. You don't have to worry that it gets damaged. As you can see, lots of more protection. So you don't only get the bag itself, but you also receive this wallet and this card holder. So it's a wallet on a chain. You can put all your essentials in here. If you like to bring some more essentials with you, you can leave them out obviously. And then you have some more room. But I really like that you get a card holder and another little wallet in here. So let's have a look. So this is the wallet that you receive. Very nice wallet to have that you can also obviously use for your other bags. And then also this card holder. Let's get it out. That's also very nice. I don't own anything like this yet, so this is very handy to have as well. So you can fit in here multiple cards, and then it also has a little pocket here. So again, you can fit lots of things in this little card holder. And then with the wallet, so nice. I love that you don't only get the bag but also like these other accessories for the price of one. I think that's great. It also got some protection here on the hardware, so let's remove that as well. I love that. Look at those details. What I also really liked about this bag is the leather. So it is grained, so I think this doesn't scratch easily, which is great, you know, if you're on the go and you sometimes like throw your bag quickly in the shopping car or like in your car next to you. It doesn't get scratched that easily. So that's why I chose this bag as well, because of the leather. So let's do a 360 so you can see the bag from all angles. So this is the front. When you open it, it looks like this. You've got the logo inside. And let's put the card holder and the wallet in here as well. And then you can see what space you have left. So if you put them in here, let's just put my phone in here for a second so you can see the space. So if you have the card holder and everything in here, your phone and maybe a few other things will fit, like lip gloss and some other things, but not a lot more. So yeah, it's definitely essential bag, not for loads of things. And then look at the side. It's the back. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, I love this. And let me know what you think of this color. I fell in love with this. It also comes in black and white with like a black monogram, I believe. And then you also have like the classic colors, the classic monogram. I don't know, I just fell in love with this color. But yeah, let me know what you think of this bag. I think it's just so pretty. So this chain you can't adjust, but I will show you the length of it. So I'm quite tall and it's just on my hip. So if you're a bit smaller, maybe it will be a bit long for you. But yeah, for me it's a great length. So yeah, I'm very happy with my new bag. I will definitely start using it today because I absolutely love it. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!